Kucoin is one of the best crypto exchanges nowadays, especially for newcomers. It can be very easy to get started with for its user-friendliness, and it also has relatively low fees and many coins to choose. If you are a new trader and interested in this exchange, this video is for you. Today I will show you a detailed instruction on how to get the 2022 sign-up bonus on this exchange and how you can sign up and verify yourself to trade. Let's go! First, go to kucoin.com and then you will arrive at this page. Enter your email and click on Send Code and complete the captcha puzzle. Then a code will be sent to your email. Just copy and paste it back here. Enter a password of your choice, and for the referral code you can go down to the description box below and get the code to enjoy 20% off all trading fees on Kucoin. Click on sign up and you are done. Next, in order to enhance your account and transaction security, you should turn on the 2FA or two-factor authenticator. To do this, just go to User and then choose Account Security. So there are three setting up processes that you have to do here: SMS Setup, Google Authenticator Setup, and Trading Password Setup. For SMS, go to Phone tab here and then click on Set. Confirm your email first by clicking on Send Code here, and then copy and paste the code from your email to the page. Next, choose your country, type in your phone number and click on Send Code. Then a code will be sent to your phone. Just type in the SMS code and click on Activate. If you want to have more bonuses or to learn more about crypto, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to CoinF Master. Turn on the notification bell to always see our newest video. Now to set up the next one, which is Google Authenticator, just go to the tab Google Verification and click on Set. Here you will have to verify your SMS code. Click on Get Code and type in the SMS code that is sent to your phone. On your phone, open the Authenticator app, then click on the plus sign and scan the QR code on your computer screen. Then click on Save to log in your Kucoin account. Here you can see a 6-digit code running with a timer. What you want to do now is to enter this code for Kucoin in the box on the page on your computer before the timers run out. After that, click on Activate and we can move on to the last one, Trading Password. So on the tab Trading Password, click on Set, write down the 2FA code, which is the code in your Authenticator app. Then create a 6-digit password as your trading password. And then click on Confirm, and that's it. Now, in order to start your trading and other transaction process, you will be required to complete your KYC or identity verification. So here on the tab KYC verification, click on Start Verification. Then fill in all the information here. And for the ID document type, you can choose between your ID card, password or driver license. Then click on Submit. Now click on Proceed to obtain more privilege to continue your KYC. So this step can be done on your phone. Here on the page, you just need to open your phone camera and scan this QR code and then download Kucoin app. So on the app, log into your account. And then here click on Continue Advanced Verification. So what you need to do is to upload front and back photo of your ID document. After that, just click on Agree with all the terms and conditions and then Submit. Finally, all you have to do is to complete the facial recognition process. So basically, you just need to hold your phone in front of you and do whatever the app tells you to do. After you're done with that, your KYC process is completed. So everything has been set up and you're ready to go. Easy, right? If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto bonuses that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.